This is Streamline News for Thursday, June 9th, 2011, brought to you by SwimOutlet.com, the web's most popular swim shop. Olympic champion Megan Jendrick and her husband Nathan will be welcoming the birth of their first child, a boy, this October. The announcement came yesterday via Megan's Twitter account. Jendrick could still keep herself in the hunt for a chance to compete at her third Olympics next year. Remember how successful Dara Torres and Amanda Beard were shortly after giving birth. Normally, we don't announce the hiring of assistant coaches on Streamline News, but we are making an exception for Derek Perkins, who was a recent guest on the Morning Swim Show and the winner of CollegeSwimming.com's Rising Assistant Coach of the Year honor this year. Perkins will be an assistant coach at his alma mater, the University of Kentucky, starting immediately. Perkins was at Clemson University for 2 years and helped the team get through the last half of the season when their home pool was made unavailable. The final day of swimming at the Cannae stop of the Mare Nostrum Tour produced some great races across the board. Ryske Erie continued his great run in 2011 with a 1:54.54 in the men's 200 backstroke. It's his second fastest performance in the event this year and the fourth time he's been under 1:55 in 2011. Alexander Dalla-Owen, the Olympic silver medalist in the 100 breast from 2008, is now the fifth fastest man in the event in 2011 with his 1:00:29 from today's finals. Two others bound to be in the hunt for medals at the World Championships, Ryo Tateishi and Cameron Vanderberg, finished second and third. Anastasia Zueva and Shiho Sakai were stroke for stroke in the final of the women's 200 backstroke, with Zueva getting to the wall first in 2:08.74 to Sakai's 2:08.91. Both of these women are ranked in the top 4 in the world in the event and will likely be in the World Championship final. And Therese Alshammer won her third event at the meet, with this one coming in the 50 fly, where she beat teammate Sarah Strostrom with a 25.69. Now the swimmers will take a day off to travel to Monaco for the final stop on the Mare Nostrum Tour, which begins Saturday. And Swimming World will bring you results from that meet on SwimmingWorld.com. That's going to do it for Streamline News today. Thanks for watching.